ngifuna ukusho ukuthi of all those things ngifuna ukuthokoza le ndoda yakamahlanga uDumsana.
Yo, that guy.
Isi ufike laphana waletha i-professional conduct. Hayi ngomlomo.
Yes.
By example. Mahlanga ufika kuqala lapha emberegweni.
Yeah.
He arrives earliest. MM1.
Yo.
Earliest. He loves his job. He does his job. He ensures that everybody else uyazwisisa ukuthi what is expected of them. You see,
right.
uma ungumayor, you need a MM. Othola ukuthi uma ukhuluma mina I'm creative in terms of thinking, in terms of innovation. So uMahlanga uzawuhlala laphana ngisho mina zonke lezi zinto engisishoyo. He will write down.
Wow.
And a program of action will arise from there. So yakubonisa ukuthi sinaye is a combination yama striker I2. Are very deadly. I Kaizer Chiefs yasidinga.